On July 26, Dongfeng launched Peugeot's new 4008 360 THP technology version for pre-orders, with a pre-sale price of 169,700 yuan. As an annual makeover model, the new Peugeot 4008 is not only equipped with a new Lion standard inside and out, but also provides a black sports kit and also adds smart configuration and comprehensive product strength is further improved. In terms of power, the new Peugeot 4008 continues to be equipped with the 1.6T plus Aisin 8 at power system and will be officially launched and delivered in early August this year. In terms of appearance, the styling design of the old model continues as a whole. The front face is replaced by the sharp lion logo in the form of a shield, which is more integrated with the black dot matrix grille and looks more advanced. The 408 is the second model to implement this logo. At the same time, in the new 4008, the lion logo element between the rear light groups is also removed, replacing the brand's English logo, and the double-sided single exhaust outlet arrangement at the bottom is also made more prominent, increasing the perception of the vehicle. In addition, the new 4008 can be equipped with a dazzling black package, such as the dazzling black dot matrix grille, 18-inch dazzling black aluminum alloy wheels, dazzling black exterior mirrors and a more textured-looking suspended black diamond roof. Is optional. The cost is only 3,000 yuan. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of the new 4008 are 4510/1850/1628 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2730 mm, which is consistent with the current model. Continuing the design style of the old model in terms of interior, the new 4008 is equipped with a 10-inch floating central control widescreen, a 12.3-inch full LCD instrument cluster, a double flat-bottom multifunction steering wheel with shift strips. In terms of configuration, the new car has been upgraded with a new generation of Blue Eye 3.0 smart car machine system, online music/video, OTA upgrade support, 360-degree panoramic high-definition video, transparent chassis, AR real scene, navigation and car air cleaner, etc. In terms of intelligent hardware configuration, it is equipped with 6 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radars and 1 mm wave radar. In terms of power, the new 4008 continues to be equipped with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with a maximum output of 170 horsepower and a peak torque of 250 Nm. The transmission system is paired with an Aisin 8-speed automatic manual transmission. The maximum speed can reach 205 km per hour, and the WLTC working condition comprehensive fuel consumption is 6.90 L/100 km.